In this video I will show you how to make kinetic typography in Filmora.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First go to Stock Media and then click on Solid Color, drop black and white on the timeline. Go to Effect and search the effect 21:9. Edit the color black to dark gray like me. Now search the effect Old Film and drop it above the black color on the timeline, then find the effect Silent Film and drop it above the white color. Now go to Titles and find the default title and drop it above the black color on the timeline. Set the font Russo 1. Now copy the keyframes like me, to look more cool. Make sure every title's to be in center and make the scale from 25 to 20. Then click on the title above the white color and set the title to color black. Make sure every clip to be 1 second. Now copy the first color, title and effect and paste it next to the other color and just change the text. Copy the edited clips and just change the text. On this part is the same as the start. I copy and paste then just change the text. You can add something like I did here, it looks so much good. You need to copy that process or you can change something or add something like I did on some parts. You can see I added picture matching with the text on the screen, so is not the same like all, it looks way more better. And on this part I added the emoji with the text. You can do your ways, that's your creativity. Kinetic typography is like an art, you need to create it your way if you want to make better. Here you can see it's the copy, paste and change part, but the interesting part is after this, and watch it so you don't miss out. This process is repeating, but you can make it more cool when you change some effects or something like I did this part. Set 3 default titles like me and make it like stairs like I did that, and watch some of my steps so you don't miss out anything. See how I move the text on this part above and under, I follow the line on the center title. Now on this last part, copy my steps and watch how I edit the keyframes, watch it closely. This is the finished video we got. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements in Vado. Peace.